everyone, welcome back to my channel, Reese Things with Sheena. Big up to all my lovely viewers, subscribers, supporters, families, enough love, enough respect, manners, and appreciation. And to all the new subscribers, special welcome to you all. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the vibe. And just a reminder, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell so that you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. And most importantly, remember to watch the ads, as the ads is what helps us to earn a revenue. Big up on yourself, bless up on yourself. Happy Sunday to each and every one. Yeah, my loves. So, my loves, if you don't come for here, if me I call laugh for Uncle Party, you know in fear disappointment because I'm not laughing. I'm not laughing, my love. It is not a laughing matter. It's serious. It was a very, very, very sad situation. Very sad situation, my loves. Sadness written all over that party from every angle, every aspect where you look on it. A sadness. Right now, me in the morning, my love. Me in the morning, me not laugh. Cause when me look, my love, I see this big old place where the woman rent. This big old place where she say hold how much people can hold how much crowd. And she take money pay for that the big old place them there to rent with eight somebody when it has start off. Eight of them, me love, I must have Noah's ark. How much somebody in a Noah ark? Noah and in three son and in three son wife and Noah wife. I must Noah ark, my love. Eight people was in the ark, my loves. So me not laugh because it's a sad situation. It's sad when you as an individual, you don't have it. You don't have it. But you're willing to take what you not have and spend up if you try to impress social media. Social media, you try to impress, you know. Social media, you're trying to impress. And you take what you not have, knowing damn well say you're not going to make it back because if you like I say not even the food, the people them not damn say everything got to waste. It's sad, man. It's sad, my loves. It's sad. Me feel bad for me uncle. I shame. I shame so till. I feel you no ask if uncle and this guy is sitting on a one. Uncle, you're not happy. Uncle, you was not happy. Disappointment written all over your caca hole at that garler. You wasn't happy, uncle. I know you got home gambal. And make sure you hurry up and come out. But me say you're alright. Cause me sure you water go drown you. Cause anyhow, me no see you come out, me know you water drown you. Me know you water drown you. Uno members only, uno always make things look bad pan the woman. Uno no help her. Uno know she want come out, come hype. Uno know she want come out, come try to make a statement and uno back her. Uno enjoy when we chat and laugh after the woman. Uno love when we make fun of her because back a closed door, uno sit down and watch we and laugh, uno enjoy it. Uno in return make a mockery of her and go sit down and go laugh after her and chat her to uno so-called members only. My loves, it's sad. And anyways, my dear children, make a tell you how you go from the start, my loves. Cause me did it from start to finish, you know, hey, my loves, I was there from start to finish. They all fling me out because me get so impatient. Nearly almost in the 2 o'clock bells. There's some mass and me sit down and wait for a crowd. And me couldn't wait no more. So you know me take myself got text up in the comment, my dear children, with me enough self. Me take boots up, me love and go text up in the comment and ask, oh Chloe, what time the party, you know, is what time uncle the party is going to start? Because you know my loves me, I get impatient and me say man in come already. Yes, I just son never come up yet and me I say then what time the party is going to start because me bring company, you know, I bring Agnes and I bring Rufus. And I tell them that we're going to have a very grand time, like we're going up into heaven. You know, my love. I said, Mass Rufus and Agnes, we're going to have a grand time at Uncle Curly party. Yes, so when me look and see the hours a wind down, you know a wind down and you know fall so start to come off a roost and the 8 smaddy now grow up to must about 10 smaddy. And then some of them left now me I say no man cause I think uncle did say the party not start yet, the crowd so start to roll in. So I was waiting on the crowd and I look everywhere. I look at every window, I look at every door. You understand? And I don't see any crowd coming in. So, you know, I was getting a bit impatient. So I went and asked the people them What time will the party start in, my love? And they fling we out. They fling out me and Rufus, my love. And Agnes, Them fling out we cock a hole, my love, and black we. Yes, me dear children, them black no pan we. I shame, I shame, I shame, I shame, I shame. I feel away, me love, I feel away. Imagine me, me chin girl care company. They go support uncle party, my love. And then fling we out all because me ask, what time is the party starting? And I we up in at the 2 o'clock, my loves. Did I do anything wrong? Did I do anything wrong, my loves? All me ask, what time is the party starting? Anyways, make we get down in at the video now, my loves. Then my loves now, I make no wicked to me so. Make uno wicked to me so cause me get fling out of the place, you know. So me no get to see how it ended. So now me have to wonder to myself now, you know, if that was not the actual party. You understand? It was a rehearsal for the party. So maybe the party I must have today. Sunday or maybe a Saturday I come. Maybe I know the party that me I say my love. So me I say imagine me take the people them now can go party and that was not the party, that was the rehearsal. Then I saw who know where wicked to me, yeah? Imagine me tell you know, say I going to the party. I tell you say I going to the gala. That I yesterday. And none of who no couldn't tell me say I know yesterday is the gala. He beloves. None of who no couldn't tell me say I know yesterday is the gala. I may dress up go embarrass myself. And what me do no me couldn't tell me. Me name on the white fowl. Imagine me make Agnes dress up in her gabardine and her calico cowgirl dress. You understand? Mass Rufus me make him dress up in best dress, in Sunday dress. You understand? In barefoot trousers. And in tuxedo shirt with him afro hairstyle. We go enjoy ourselves at the gala is a good thing me never care Prudence. Is a good thing me never call Prudence. Because Prudence would have scandal me. Prudence would have scandal me, so me never bring Prudence. Me loves all me did want to do. You know, I just figure help. I just figure celebrate with uncle at him 75th birthday party. That's all me did want to do. You know, me loves. Merciful Father, my loves. Me know say that was the actual gala, my loves. Me know that was the actual gala. But me just try, you know, find a way to comfort my little heart, my love. Me just try find a way for comfort my heart because me can't believe say the members only them treat Curly so. I can't believe say the members only them treat Uncle so. It was not no rehearsal, my love. It was the gala. It was the gala. Me not calling no more gala. It's the get together, my love. The get together rain. Me say my dear children. We left out from early, from before the in the morning, you know, my love, because you understand, true, me want up at the VIP section, yes. We want there where we can see the stage, where we can see all of the performance, the mass. The sky view, a sky view we did want, my love, yes. We wanted the sky view, my loves. So we left out from early because me I say now, you know, my dear children, say the crowd we are go bungle up out there, you know, my loves. The earlier we reach, the better for we. My loves, when we finally reach, we alone did it. Yes, my love, me, Agnes, and Rufus, the three we alone was there. So me I say it's a good look. At least we are going, you know, able to get the sky view because we first reach. My loves, we sit down out there. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, Friday idea part that we are talking on, my love. 4 o'clock, galang. So till, you know, in at the 8 o'clock bells, the sun, my love, we say one smaddy come in. So me I said, then turn, but I think Uncle did say at 8 o'clock the party has start. Anyways, you know me sit down cause me say, you know, it's a very huge occasion and maybe the amount of crowd we are come, me love, because traffic on the highway also. So maybe them block up on the highway. You understand, me love? So me still sit down, you know, hoping and, you know, waiting and anticipating, can't wait for the party start. Hey, me loves, me look now. You know, me look now, me say Uncle Curly put up one sign, say, you know, she will be late, so the party won't start until 9 o'clock. I said, not a problem, not a problem. I've been waiting here all day, so nothing no wrong. If I wait another, you know, extra hour. Yes, my love, so I sat there, I waiting until, you know, in the after 9 bells now, at them the time they, you know, Uncle Massy, so. So me say, all right, party, I go start now, so make we go in. My loves, when I go in, you understand, I may take a little peep, you know, my loves, me say, me count 4 smaddy, my love, 4 smaddy, so me say, no, a party not started. So me go back out there. So come in, I really want, me not really want in there interact with nobody and go sweat up myself and the party not started. Sweat up my little makeup and so. So me left, go back outside now, my dear children. And me sit down out there, I get the little cool breeze, my love. I wait, so till me love night dew fall, make me I'll catch cold in and me mall out there, my loves. In the 10 o'clock now, my loves, me go back, go peep. Me see must about 6 maddy, so me say, no, the crowd no come yet, so me go back, go wait. My loves, I go back outside. I sit on Rufus, I said, chin. Remember, snow a fall, don't sit down, walk up and down, you understand? And keep yourself active, not sit down one place. But my loves, as me tell you, I want tired up myself, so you don't want me sit down. So me see time I wind down now. Me I say no man, we have to go in now. We have to go in, my love. So me loves when me ready to get up, me couldn't move. I couldn't move. Other than no say me love me sit down until me frozen. Hey, me loves I sit down out a door till me frozen. Me turn popsicle out a door at Uncle Curly party, my loves. Me say a good thing, Mass Rufus is a man, you know him always prepared. So him walk with the little ice prick, you understand, in case any little thing happen to we already have the ice prick, you know. If he defend we so I hit him take no me loves and juk round the edges them me love until him free me up. So I decide, so you know what, make we go inside. So when we go in there now, me loves, and me I think say now in there ram up me love, me go in, me see must about 10 smaddy, I say about 10. 10. Then the people you must think a Jamaica then they because you know me up say Jamaican party, you know people not really start rolling until 1 o'clock, 1:30 them time they know at them the time people are come a party a Jamaica, you know. So me say maybe them feel like a Jamaica then they and you know make a wait so till me love so I go in there when I sit down and take me a scan around the place now me I say but the cheer now dress up and look better than the people them. This whole heap of cheer, well dressed, like a ladies and gentlemen, me love. Me I say about tan if you but like I say, I cheer, you know, I the cheer them curly, I keep the gala for. How them ya cheer ya dress up so? Me loves who never see say the cheer them dress up more than the people them. Massy God, me say me love out of all of this money them will show up at the party except for me, Agnes and Rufus. The cheer them look the best, me loves. How one dege woman me see look good, me love. One dege woman and is the woman in the blue. The rest of them, me loves. The rest of them, I don't know where them get the paper that sheet and shower curtain there from where come at the woman gala. The rest of them never stay good. The woman, me love. The one woman into the blue and the cheer them, me loves. Except for me and Agnes and Rufus, as I say already. And that one woman and the cheer them look the best, me loves. Everybody else, me dear children, I may not exaggerate, my loves, me not exaggerate everybody else. Fever when you hang up overall pan nail, my loves. Number one, none of uncle dress them never match for your body. None of uncle dress them never match for your body, my loves. The gurgle where she have her number one, me love, the gurgle. No give her seat back them, no little ear. No little chance for relax and make she enjoy the party properly, my loves. No little chance for relax and enjoy herself. In a comfort. Uncle Curly was so uncomfortable in that gurgle. I don't know how she never pass out, my loves. Anyways, even though the time I wind down, my love, me still have little hopes. Me still got a little hope. Because I say the people, them not coming yet. So, you know, me go over the bar now, you know, figure buy one special. You know, one rum and boom special, yes, and Rufus say him want rum and water, and Agnes get one nutriment, my love. Then, oh no, my love, so when me go over there, I don't want to speak me my name. My love, I don't want to speak me my name, Missy Queen jump in a one little corner. Me not even want to see me love, so me dodge him. But me see him, you know, over one little corner, drink water, and dragon. Spitfire dragon at that, you know, me love. So when me see him now, me I say, watch him. You can't bet say him no one, nobody knows say him their Uncle Curly party, you know, kind of one little corner, I bar there, so me love him dodge off. I say, watch him, but me not lie, me love him, I look good. Him did look good in a mesh marine and him jacket and him cut off pants with, you know, the newspaper and something in the pocket. Him may look good, my love. Him are the best dressed me. No. Him and Mass Rufus are the best dressed male at the party, my love. Yes. But nobody go back, go tell him, say me over here chatting, me no make him see me. So now me dear children, while me did now sip the little rum and boom, you know, and I scan round the place. You know the international gala, me did I scan round. And you know what? So when me I scan round the place, cause me still did in disbelief, you know, me love me, I feel pinch myself, you know, if you see. If I really this amount of smaddy, they are at the Uncle Curly gala. Somebody don't know what look about the place to see if me I fool me. If anybody you know they bought in a little corner now where I'm love and me I go catch one black and white cinti pan the table. So me I look panic and me I said then I worry that the black and white cinti the over the sun up on the table favor monument. So me I touch Agnes and ask Agnes if he see the monument over this up on the table. Agnes say if me not say I know monument. She say it look like a cake. Me say you sure Agnes for you know what that look like? He have a reed pan. You see reed them pan, it look like our headstone. Agnes I say no, it's a cake. And I say no Agnes, it is a headstone. So when me did they know me love me, I look good. Me I say me backside Agnes, but Agnes you're right, it's not a headstone, it's a cake. I wonder who make it. Me love same time. Me love same time. I don't know who me see. No tea lady. Me say me backside. Agnes, I tell you the headstone that Agnes say not don't say that chin. Don't say that chin. Remember say at the tree we alone that you know you might go say it and somebody and go back go tell them and then continue behind over here. So no say it Lord. And same time now me hear Uncle Curly advertise the cake and say cakes by Tina Chin. I say me mama. Agnes, and I say not more. Agnes, and I say not more. Well, make a look on the bright side of it, me love at least. You know what tea lady know how to make headstone, don't it? We are look on the bright side of it. Tea lady, you're very good at making headstone, mama. You're full of talent, tea lady. You're full of talent. And one thing with you doing, no tea lady, one thing with you now go decorate your cake, them and not pack you up with wreath. And that them teacher at England the other day, tea lady. And that you go to school at England, go learn to decorate for. Massy got a very nice headstone, tea lady. Very, very nice headstone. Anyways, no, my love, you know, me still did them, me love, you know, me hopes kind of good on, but me no make it whole like good on, me there, true. I don't make the whole of the hopes go, me still have a little real life. One little tops are real life, because me I say, me I wait, the people then soon come. The people then soon come, the people them soon come. They would have never disappoint my uncle like that. They would have never do it, them soon come. Them I go surprise we. Right, so during that time, they know you know me love, me see tea lady over there. And then the rest of woman, them with a drag queen, me loves. Them they in front of the camera, I struggle, you know me dear children, for entertain themselves. I struggle, me love, to make it look like I said them I enjoy themselves. I know ask if tea lady, no, did they have wide out herself. I said, who a fight tea lady? Who have fight tea lady? Make sure your body a galang so with the struggle wine them. Ain't tea lady? Why you a behave so with them, they breed that struggle wine there? But till you think you could have wine. Till you just stiff like you drop off in a drum of cassava starch. Me love. I know some people wine till you. Till you that is not whining. Till you that is not whining. I don't know if a spirit you did I catch into. I smell you not ticklish you, but that is not no whining till you. That is not no whining, mama. And then while till you did now go on with fear antics now, you know me oh, but say Uncle Curly now me dear children just stand up so cause Uncle Curly first did go on with herself, you know me love take until till you take over. And me say Uncle now turn up like you know till you try to take with the spotlight from her. And Uncle now just stand up and I look some love till if you like I say she said to herself say not a backside, you're not gonna steal my show tonight, you're not gonna take over my shine. She come back now and she a try to bust a one wine me love, but the girl wouldn't allow it. And remember the poor balls them down there, you know me love, under fireball for murder. But Uncle Curly Hall ya galang dear uncle, me see ya galang me dear old uncle. Me could have seen the disappointment written all over you. It was written all over you. You couldn't hide it. You try your best for this guys it uncle, but it don't work. It don't work. I regret leaving me yard, uncle. I regret leaving me yard. Me could have sit down at me could have turn me yard and watch it all live. You know, uncle, me could have turn me yard and watch it all live. But me say me want to support you. And at this, your uncle. Uncle, you need to stop living a denial and tell yourself, so you is a big deal, yeah, man. Uncle, you is no deal. Uncle, you is no deal. You is not even a meal deal, uncle. Uncle, take off the big deal. Uncle, that's where the big deal take. Enough for you. Enough fit your uncle. And it was at that moment, though, you know, my dear children, at that moment, maybe about 5 minutes to 2 hours. So, I remember say uncle said the party is from 8 to 2, you understand? And when me look and see 5 minutes left for the 2, me love. At that. Now you know me love me take myself now. Go me never want interrupt uncle. You understand me love? I never want to interrupt uncle. So me say, like how they have the camera, me this go on the phone, go text and ask, what time will the party be starting? Me love, and they so they fling out the tree away. Fling out the tree away. Bam me love. They fling out the tree away, me loves. I don't know where speak my mind do over there. I don't know where speak my mind do over there. Me look, me see them fling him out back away. Me see them fling him out back away, me love, but me go hide in don't see me, me there to rain. The big trunk security man where Curly have over there, me love. The big security man where Uncle Curly have in there, him fling we out. Him fling we out, me there to rain. Then Uncle Curly, where you did that secure. For when lady there walk around with security, you know, yeah, ask where she is secure. So me ask about the same question, Uncle Curly. What were you securing, ma'am? Make you have a higher security. Then away you're not secure, Uncle. What were you securing? Massy God, me loves, you see how them turn bad? You see how them turn bad, me love? Imagine me take myself good if you go support. Me take myself good if me love for go support. And them we claim say them are members only sit down pan them yard about them a moderator. All me ask what time the party has start. Me never do nothing wrong. Them never have to fling me out over them, me love. Them never have to fling me out. And moderator block the comment, me love, and fling me out from over there. Fling me away from over there, me love. Me can't type back in a Uncle Curly yard again. Me love, you know see the liberty? You know see the liberty even if me type back a Uncle Curly yard, me love then and go see it for them block me. Them block me when me look me up the comment gone and me say hide user. Me say oh no is a dirty workless piece of trash. Loves me did say me I go trace them, but me I go trace them. I am going to trace them. I'm going to trace up them draws off of them behind. Imagine the party was free. The party was free. Me no care how much Uncle Curly did say him I got turn up a gate and collect. The party was free. And Uncle Curly I give away free food. Uno love uno Uncle Curly so much. And uno couldn't left from boy walk or celebrate with uno uncle. And uno de on social media across people say uno love uncle. It no matter what the code was, because if you no look, nobody never in no 1940s. Uncle Curly trick the people, them not even on 1940s music name play. Uncle Curly trick the crowd because she no want the people them come look better than her. So she tell them to dress in a 1940s outfit. Me loves, you no see anybody in the 1940s nothing there so? You no hear no 1940s nothing did that play? All of them, the outfit, they were Uncle change and come out in a uno see none of them look like no 1940s, nothing. The last one where Uncle come out in and me say, kiss me neck back to Kakarate hole. How Uncle favor Power Ranger so? Uncle you favor Power Ranger. In that outfit, Uncle you say certain things are not for Lady D, certain things are not for your uncle, certain things is not for you. None of them the same thing the way you have on. Them no match your shape, Uncle. Me know you think the girl will do your justice, Uncle. But the girl will not do no justice. And the people them are hypocrite. The people them are hypocrite against your uncle. Hypocrite against your uncle. Uncle me not lie, them are hypocrite against your uncle. Uncle, you know if you did look good, would tell us say you look good. Uncle, the first gala where you keep, Uncle. The first one, Uncle, me did tell us say you look good. They tell us say you look good, Uncle, because you did look good. It's just that me now wear them the type of clothes there, you understand? But for your woman your age, the first gala where you did keep, you did look good. Your clothes them did look nice for you, for you. And you are kind of style that them may look good for you. Them here this year, when I go say the clothes, them never look good, Uncle. But them never match your body, them never match your shape, Uncle. And of your type of clothing them there. Stick to where you know look good for your uncle. You understand? Stick to the evil where you know. But members only, Uncle Tricono. Uncle Tricono. Wait, they're speaking of Uncle Tricono. Uncle me have a bone to pick at you. I have a right against your uncle. Uncle, yesterday you're the pan your life. Yesterday na the day yeah, say you know want nobody come there half naked. You know want nobody come there with no G-string fast in them body and no see-through clothes and them the same thing there. Uncle, you know you're not dash your word panty lady. Uncle, you did a dash your word panty lady cause you know say them the kind of dress in the tea lady love too. So when you attack uncle, you did a fling your word panty lady. And last night when me see tea lady, me I said then a tea lady uncle in a fling word pan, you know. Tea lady uncle did a fling word pan. You see you uncle, you're snaking. You're a snake under grass, uncle. But now like uncle, it was a big flop. Big flop. Uncle is the flop of the millennium. Uncle, it was a disgrace. It was a total disgrace. Me no matter how much time I go come out, I go say, at least I enjoyed myself and I paid my money without begging no money. I paid from my pocket and I enjoyed myself. I had fun and I was celebrating life. Uncle, you're shame. Uncle, you're shame. Uncle, you're not fool me. Uncle, you're shame. Are you disappointed? Uncle, you're not enjoying yourself. It was just for the camera. The whole of did look like I set a masquerade dance, Jankuno. If you never fling me out, I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't say that. I would have come tell life for your uncle. I would have tell them how the party did ram. I would have tell them how the party turn up, uncle. But you not fling me out from over there after I come call support. So I tell no life for your uncle. Then the lady in the pink dress now we are walk around like a short bottle of Pepto smell. As she had the photographer. As she had the photographer, uncle. Uncle, your party was no big deal, uncle. But I said no photographer, I don't say nothing. The people then do even name the food, Uncle Mary, I beg them. Oh, no care one food, take all you want, Uncle, that I go waste. The people them no want it, I go waste it, I go waste, Uncle. One of the time, you know, me love me see the people then dance still, then can't dance no more. Everybody go sit down like then their prayer meeting. Everybody go sit down like then their prayer meeting and chat Uncle Curly in their mind. Then I chat amongst them, one of them, no, me love. Them a chat in their mind. Them a chat Uncle Curly in their mind and say, look how we make Curly, make we come here, come take ourselves turn in a papi show. And that them did a chat in their mind and say Uncle Curly. But as me say already, Uncle Curly, I have to give it to you. But I have to give it to your Uncle Curly. You hold it. You hold it up, Uncle Curly. Same like how the girl go hold up your balls, them Uncle Curly. You hold it. You disguise. You disguise the shame and the hurt and the disappointment bad. You hide it, Uncle Curly. But you see, because we not fool, we not stupid, we know, but you hide it, Uncle Curly. You go on with yourself, Uncle, you hide it. Me not lie, you play it off, man. You play it off. You deserve a reward, Uncle. You deserve a reward. Because the amount of time you come out here tell me, so you enjoy yourself. You enjoy yourself like you try to convince me. Uncle, you can't convince me. Uncle, you couldn't convince me. Even though you're this guys, you know your true emotions. Uncle, you're not convinced me. We not blind. Your facial expressions, they might have say one thing, but you know it written everywhere else all over. If you look and see how much followers you have out here, how much people will claim say them are supporters. And out of all of them, the hundreds of people that way you have per life and have a follow you. And only 6 of them are real supporter. Because me can count your sister and your sister husband. Me can count T-Lady. Me can count the DJ. Me can count them. So out of all of them, the whole heap of people, the way you have uncle say you're a big deal. And only 6 of them, it no matter what, it doesn't matter what, if them rate and love and respect you, like how them want it seem, they would have find some way. We come support you and to show how the people that were wicked and cruel. Them they go to the party and then they pan the live and watch. At 2 super chat, 2 they get 2 super chat message go up. $250 message go up. Nobody else not say, all right, like how we not come up, like how we not go to the party, make we flood the super chat. Make we flood the super chat. Dirty people who don't rate the woman. Who don't rate the woman, but guess what? Because who is a bunch of rejects. Uno is a bunch of rejects. Nobody else now want to up on them platform. So Uno just got team up with uncle. Uncle accept Uno because uncle want company. Uncle want crowd. Uncle accept Uno. So Uno just stay over there knowing damn well that Uno do like a bone in the woman. Uno are secret haters. Uno are secret haters. So uncle nobody come contact, but oh, you might not be there in person, but you supported the live. They not support it because you don't see no super chat. How much likes did there? How many likes there, uncle? The whole of we are haters, Curly. Your members only them are haters too. You only have 6 members only, half those members only. A long time you advertise your gala. Long time you advertise your gala. If they wanted to come, if they wanted to support you, they had more than enough time for to show your support. But then again, you did a demand too much from the people them to uncle. You did a demand too much from the people them too. Serve your right to serve your right. Because you want to tell the people them how to dress. You want to tell them how to dress. Them have all right to flap you. And them flap you, you know. And them flap you. Cause you want the people them come out here favor masquerade and you well are not in a 1940s. Not which one are we great grandparents here see where them best thing there in the 1940s. Uncle, which one are we great grandparents you see that where them best thing there in the 1940s? Especially the last one will make you favor Catwoman, Power Ranger. Anyhow, we great grandparents and aware them best thing there in the 1940s. You trick the people them. You know what you was doing, uncle. You trick the people them. But my question, me have a question for you now, Uncle Curly. Me have a question for you. The Uncle Curly. I only in a social media you have people around you. You know, no friends in a real life, no acquaintance in a real life. Where your family them there, Curly. Nobody, just you and you alone standing at your sister and her husband. Where your close friends and relative there, eh? Nobody, I just social media. My God, it look bad, uncle, it look bad by you. And me did it too, me did it too. Sometimes I not even remember say I'm a great grand uncle. Cause bad to bad, Curly, yeah, keep one little event. You understand? You know people around you where you associate yourself with. So even if the people them pass social media not turn up, you have them the people that will come out. Nobody not like your uncle. Me mama. Uncle, it look bad pa your uncle is sad pa you. Is sad uncle is not a pretty sight. It's not a pretty look. You know no friend, uncle. Nobody around you. No family we could have said make we flying go. No man. No uncle. So uncle that mean to say when you kick your bucket. And me one of the your funeral? Me and your sister husband and Rufus and Agnes, are they your funeral? No family member, no friend, nobody not go to the fi ball for you. My God, bad to bad me we ball do uncle, bad to bad me we ball. Me not make you look so pie, me we ball for you. But you don't have no solid support in a real life, uncle. No solid support in a real life. Everybody just take your fi macri and make a ass of you, that's all. So all of that money they just blew up and wasted and gone to nothing. Uncle, you know, say if you did get one nice little place, can you could have get a nice little restaurant or somewhere, a nice little venue, you know, uncle, with nice little ambience and you know them, you never need that, uncle, you never need that. But no, you try size up. You try size up, uncle, no, uncle, no, uncle, no. Uncle Rat can't size up with lion, you understand? Uncle stay in your lane, no man. Uncle stay in your lane, no man. And you want make yourself look bad, you know, uncle? Because we don't care where you can afford from where you cannot afford. Because I know so you got ball for them the money there. I know you so you got ball for them the money there. When you look all the food waste, they not buy nothing, everybody a dance pan dry throat. No liquor, no sale. So nobody come out here come go on like you want to show off a hype up now because when you deep down you will be hurting. You're hurting back at the camera, you're hurt. In front of the camera you try to play it up, but you're hurting. Even your own members only them a look at you like idiots. You know see your sister turn one place, your sister never too up in the video light. Yeah, husband they a try build a vibes and so yes, but your sister never too up in the video light, my love. I would have end my video and say, I hope you learn your lesson, but uncle, you're in a denial. You're not learn no lesson. You're not learn no lesson whatsoever. But we know you're shame. We know say you're shame. All of them people that were surround themselves with you, a bunch of hypocrite towards you. I mean, if them afraid you go bully them because they're afraid of you too, them know you're a bully. You understand them know you're a bully, so them afraid of you. But uncle, it never look good. Never look good, never look good, never look good, uncle. You flop, you flop. It no matter how much clothes you change, uncle, you flopped. You flopped. Yes, my loves. Anyways, thank you all for tuning in. We've come to the end of another video. I'm always see you know in our next video. Peace out. Much love. Later. Bye-bye. I want to remember if you do. Alright? Do. Big up on yourself.